Today we're breaking down the New Balance Two Wxy V4s. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here at Tamsters Kicks. We're breaking down the New Balance Two Wxy V4. A lot of hoopers have been playing this one. A lot of people have been saying that New Balance is really putting out some good basketball shoes, and we got these bad boys in today to finally try out. I just posted or recorded, should be coming soon, the New Balance Wxy Low video. I had the Two Wxy V3s in the past. I wasn't a big fan of them. I had a friend that, a teammate that got the V3s and he liked them a lot as he played throughout the season. I wasn't a big fan, but the V4s, I've been hearing some really good things about them. I tried them out, I hooped in them. I'm gonna have video footage throughout the video of me hooping them on, playing on them. Got B-roll, all that good stuff, guys. If you haven't seen a video from me, we're going through traction, cushion, support, materials, fit, all that good stuff. If you guys haven't, also, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like for your boy, but let's break these bad boys down. So like I said, the New Balance V3s, Two Wxy V3s, a lot of hoopers playing them. As you may know, New Balance got players such as DeJounte Murray, Jamal Murray as well. Murray boys playing in some New Balances, but no, a lot of people have been liking the New Balances so far. I actually really enjoyed playing in the V4s. They retail at $120, giving some D Rose Adidas vibes, if you ask me. Not like Audi Zeros. That's my opinion, but V4s, some different improvements, some different design things all over the shoe, from the outsole to the midsole, just different construction, so we're gonna break them down. The traction mixes rubber and foam all along the outsole. So that traction pattern is kind of interesting. I love the design of it off the bat, and on the court I felt like it was playing really good because of the construction. That was one thing with the Wxy Lows that I just broke down, is that they had most of the outsole was translucent. As you can see, this has the translucent stripe here, but it went like 80% of it was translucent, and the medial side went into this kind of firm rubber that they have on this one as well. But I didn't really like that one. I felt like the give was a little weird coming with just the medial side having it, but I love that they put the hard foam here on the outsole, and then they had it like crossed, and I love that like cross design on there, where I would prefer to have the harder material right here on the outside to, like, for durability and cutting wise, and then to have a little more of that on the like back heel part as the mix and match. So traction pattern, I actually really did enjoy it on these. The cushion features a fresh foam and fuel cell cushioning. So that fuel cell and fresh foam is kind of a mix as well. They kind of went with this kind of opposite alternating design here. You can see this kind of lighter material here on the lateral side, and then you go medial side with it here crossing over, and then you also have the same thing that they do with this purple material here, the fresh foam. And the mix, it feels kind of decent on foot at first. It's pretty firm, if I'm being honest, so it's going to take some break-in. I felt that with the V3s as well, but as that breaks in, it's really good for like lateral movement, high impact stuff with that fresh foam. So I liked it. I'm gonna need to break it down more and actually like see how it like builds over time and breaks down over time, but off the bat it felt pretty good. Materials are a mesh and synthetic mix combined with the fresh foam. So the materials, a lot of it does actually come with that fresh foam and fuel cell as it goes up into a bit of a like chunkier midsole, I would say. They kind of went with a semi drop-in midsole to kind of give you a little more court feel, but I think that also all the materials combined with the traction pattern really like plays well with the shoe. Material wise, it feels pretty breathable. The tongue felt good. It's like kind of a wider tongue, I would say, but it's pretty thin and uniform, and the cushion feels nice on it, so I like that. Materials pretty meshy all around the shoe as well with that synthetics. Heel counter, not very noticeable. You can tell a little more firmness back here, but that's kind of just due to the foam setup here. So overall, materials were pretty breathable and they felt nice. The fit is true to size. This was pretty easy on these ones. I went with an 11. I'm an 11. True to size was phenomenal. I mean, they're a little more high cut of a shoe, so I didn't quite like how it kind of felt, I would say. It still felt really good though, but like not my preferred playing style on a shoe, but true to size is an easy fit. Finally, the support. This is where I was getting the D Rose kind of Adidas vibes on these. The cut of them, like the length from like the heel counter back here all the way to the front, like I just kind of felt like that felt like an Adidas shoe. The way like with the D Roses, it like comes up with the 3 stripes here. I feel like it kind of comes up in that same kind of manner here, and the cut felt nice. I did like the support. I felt like it kept you locked in. It it did feel like a little bit of dead space here in this part of the shoe. There's not much to the like Achilles padding or anything, which I love. I don't like an excess Achilles padding here, just a little bit back here with that mesh, but it felt breathable and it felt nice around the foot, and overall from the first bat, it was pretty good to play in. Traction and cushion, giving it an 8.5 out of 10. I feel like they could go either way. It could feel even better over time, or it could break down and not feel good, but dust pickup was pretty minimal, so I have some high expectations for these bad boys. Materials, fit, and support were all given 8 out of 10s. Materials felt really breathable and nice. I just kind of want to again see how it breaks down over time with that mesh. But it did feel pretty durable, especially with a little bit more of this plastic piece here. I didn't mention that on the lateral side and the medial toe cap. So I like that for the durability aspect. Support and fit. Fit was easy, true to size fit. I didn't feel too much dead space in there, and support was not over the top trying to constrict you. So the court feel felt like pretty nice. And overall, I like them better than the V3s, which I didn't think so because I liked how the V3s wrapped right here and they felt good on the foot. But I think I definitely like the fresh foam, the fuel cell, as well as that traction pattern setup on here. So good job, New Balance. I like these ones. Let me know what you guys think about them. If you guys caught the New Balance Two Wxy V4s, let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I'm trying to push out content, you know that stuff, but we'll see you guys on the next one.